guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this special chocolate coffee drink. Now if you're watching my videos, if you know me by now, yes, I am that coffee girl, and if you like coffee or chocolate, this is going to be the drink for you. So without further delay, I'm going to show you guys the ingredients, and we're going to get right into making this coffee drink, which, you know what, might be perfect for summer because it's not hot, it's actually chill. Let's get into this video. Alright guys, so here are the ingredients. I have my cup of black cold brew coffee that I just made. Well, I didn't just made, I made in my Keurig and I chilled in the fridge. You want this to be cool, you don't want it to be hot because again, we're making a chill beverage. I am using my coffee creamer, which is a Cold Stone sweet cream. Now this recipe calls for sugar and some type of milk, but because I'm using my coffee creamer, which also has you know, it's sweet, I'm just going to use that in substitution for the sugar and the milk. Then we're going to have the main ingredient, which is Nutella. This is the chocolate bean. Yes, if you're into that chocolate, this is the lover right here. Then this is optional, but you can top it off with some nutmeg and some cinnamon, and if you have whipped cream, that could be a little add-on too. And then you're gonna need some ice because again it's chilled, and some type of blender. I have my Ninja, but you can use any regular old blender. Let's start putting these ingredients together. Yes. Okay guys, so first we're going to just move the Ninja over because I want you guys to kind of get a glimpse of what I'm doing. I'm going to open my Ninja and pour in my cold brew coffee. Now one tip on what I did with the coffee, if you're using a regular 8-ounce cup, like this is perfectly an 8-ounce cup, what I did with the Keurig is I only use half a cup of water for the coffee. So since this is an 8-ounce cup, I only poured 4 ounces of water in here so that the coffee would be kind of strong. Because you're adding in sugar, you want to have that strong taste of the coffee because it's kind of all going to blend anyway. Then we're going to add my creamer. So let me get the measuring cup. I brought in the measuring cup so you guys can get an estimate. Me, I simply eyeball it, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to use a measuring cup. So I'm going to use a half of a cup of my coffee creamer. And again, you can use whatever coffee creamer you had on hand. Yes, I'm at the end, you guys, because this is my favorite one. Another good mixture for this is the Italian sweet cream. That actually tastes good as well with it. Now we're going to add in Nutella. This is a tablespoon. Don't confuse with a teaspoon. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of Nutella right in the Ninja or the blender. Let's get that all in there. Get the other one. Now if you're not that much of a chocolate person, you can stick with 1, but because I am perfectly the chocolate girl, I just went ahead with 2. So now we have all of our main ingredients in the Ninja or the blender. Now I'm going to cover that and give it a blend. Like, that's pretty much it, you guys. Really easy and simple. Make sure it's sealed. Don't want none spilling out. And now we're just gonna blend this. Okay. Woo, look at that. Looking nice. I'm going to open this up. Wow, this consistency right here, look at that, it's looking so delicious. So now I'm going to pour this into a cup. I actually have my little mason jar right here. I'm going to make the transfer and kind of make this look a little more appeasing to the eye. Yes, and it makes the perfect amount. Okay, so now I'm going to add the little toppings or little added seasonings, if you want to call it. Let's say just the added toppings. Now at this point, if you had whipped cream, this would be a good time to just put the whipped cream so it can have that nice little finishing touch. But I don't have whipped cream right now, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of cinnamon. Which one is this? Nutmeg, I'm sorry. And then a little bit of cinnamon. If you recognize the labels, these are Walmart brands. Like that. And then I have my straw to finish off the look. Okay, so that is going to be it. Pretty basic and simple. Basic ingredients in here is Nutella and coffee, and I mean you can't go wrong with either one. So now the taste test. Listen, if you like coffee, if you like Nutella, this is definitely the way to go, especially now that we're entering summer. Cheers! Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. Yes, it was short, simple, and sweet because I just wanted you guys to have a nice refreshing drink just in time for summer. If you enjoy these type of videos and you want to see more little treats that I have for summer, you never know, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, and let me know that you enjoyed these type of videos, and I will see you guys in another video. Cheers! This is Jenna, okay?